cricket maniac.
Coming up, and it's a big appeal there. Shamir to continue, locks it off, and it is into the hands. Sultan Brothers down for one. And thank you, Unni. These sounds and echoes in the MD Gudiya Unni. Shot. Hattingil ninnum hitman എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ തന്നെ അതിർത്തി കടത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് ഒരു ലോഫുൾ ടോസിനെ കൃത്യമായ പവറിലൂടെ വിന്യസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് അതിർത്തി കടത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് റോഹിത് ആറ്റിങ്ങൽ ഇത് ആരംഭം കുറിക്കുന്നു. Drives it off through the gap. The ball is slowing down. മെല്ലെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് തൻ്റെ പതിവ് ശൈലിയായ ആക്രമണത്തിലേക്ക് റോഹിത് ആറ്റിങ്ങൽ മാറി മറിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ മത്സരം കാണുന്ന ആസ്വാദകർക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം തോന്നും. He comes down the track. Oh, that's lovely. That is tremendous strike here from Rohit Attingal. Jesse comes down the track, adjusted the length. If you bowl there, I am going to strike you out of the park. Sharad strikes. Off a hint from this batter. And there it is, gone to the distance. Wow, Sharad Yuvi. Shamir getting the treatment. That was in his slot, and he slogged that one all the way to the distance. Sharad Gambhira. Rohit Attingal from the meat of the blade. He made it out to the park. Oh, see that one. Good swing. And now it's up in the air. Taken and gone. Adomal with a reward. Rohit gone for 31. Rohit Attingal in a Mataki Aikono. It was an off cutter from the right arm. Around the stumble left-hander Kabanda. Off cutter Aranya. Romal to continue. Oh, that's Kuttapan. Gale Kuttapan. The 333 of Kerala is here. And see that shot. 25. Perfectly blended. It's a yorker. Up goes the finger, and Saji strikes again. Just see that one in, swinging yorker to the left-hander, coming all the way over the stems, and see that celebration from Saji. He got the big man. That's a good strike. Is that gone? Yes, it is. A lawful toss, and that was a high voltage shot here from Achu. Karma is back in the middle, and Sultan Brothers is up in the skies. Cleaned him up. Have a look at that replay, Darwin. Perfectly blended leg cutter, and that was middling the leg stump line, and it was turning away from the batter. Oh, cleaned him up there. Wicket taking ability of Saji. Put spinner in the air once again. Around the stems, Vandakonda right hander Orikala Kodi. Leg stump in a Porta Picha Panda. Leg stump Tuki Porta Kalanakonda Saji. In the Levanda Mona 6 Somadicha. Iron Dubayum Tuki Poya. Sandeep. And there it is. Moonalla. Naladikam. Another one. He was trying for a yorker full length delivery, and see that one. Bang, bang for a maximum here. Very first ball. Oh, there it is. Sandeep Erimeli is gone. Viliya Sahakaranam. And there it is. He played that one, and that has gone to the distance. Such a mess. And he settled with a huge one. What a settlement there from Sachin. Sachin. Wow, that was a jacker from this batter. Just see that one. Not in the slot, but he converted that. Crunched it. Goes again. It's such an MS for you. Sri Padmanabhന്റെ മണ്ണിൽ അടക്കിവാണ് കൊണ്ട് സച്ചിൻ ഇതാ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. അവസാന ഓവറിൽ 3 6ന്റെ പിൻബലത്തിൽ ഇതാ 97 റൺസ് കരസ്ഥമാക്കുവാൻ സുൽത്താൻ ബ്രദേഴ്സിന് സാധിക്കുമ്പോൾ it's such an MS. Yesterday it was Sandeep Erimeli. Today it is such an MS. ഏത് മത്സരത്തിലും അവർക്ക് വിന്യസിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ഭാഗത്തിനുള്ള ഫിനിഷർമാരുണ്ട്. There to start, and it's it. Wide to start other things here. It's an appeal. Perfect. Yorker. Second gone. Waisak strikes. Perfect call there from Mansoor, and see that one plump in front. Shuffle it in the Jagan. Tettipoguna Karcha. That's up in the air. I can see the fielders underneath. And it's Sandeep Erimele with a big call in the end. See the replay. Rahul Rajiv Adya Pandil Tane. Blade in Rapayano, Pandilla, wicket Lebikimana. He was celebrating. Oral Varanamana. Ocha Kuti Blade Samsarikimbol. Adya Muravel pitching on the blade to Takam Kurikano. That's over the top. That clears the infield. Prakarichikunda Sridak. Tande Adya maximum Kandatuna Karcha. Half-hearted copter lands safely. That's up in the air. Is there any fielders? Is there any fielders? No, that is out of the park again. Huge one. Shot. Oh, that is dangerous. That was marvelous. Right from the middle. What a strike here. Looking for some cutter. And that was off from the meat of the blade. My goodness. Pulls it off in the gap, and it's a boundary there to start. That's a full toss. And he is acting like a giant here. That's up in the air. Vinay himself under the ball. Vinay collects the catch. Sajir and Sridak. നല്ലൊരു കൂട്ടുകെട്ടായിരുന്നു അതിന്റെ അവസാനം. ഇതാ കണ്ടോളൂ, കൃത്യമായി വിനയുടെ കൈകളിലെത്തുന്നു. Oh, that's a good shot. Great enough, and it is gone enough. Achyut Dheeraj. What a strike it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. Made a placement. Got some outside edge. Achyut Dheeraj just throws the bat and finds a boundary. Is that gone? It's in the air and landed safely. There is a backup. And Kunjan is gone. He needs to walk back. And that was another extreme strike from Achyut Dheeraj. Pick-up shot to the onside. അതിഗംഭീരമായ ഒരു മത്സരത്തിന്റെ പര്യവസാനത്തിൽ മുപ്പത്തിരണ്ട് റൺസിന്റെ ഡോമിനേറ്റിംഗ് വിജയം സ്വന്തമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് സുൽത്താൻ ബ്രദേഴ്സ് ഇതാ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. കളിച്ച 2 മത്സരവും വിജയം. 4 പോയിന്റിന്റെ പിൻബലത്തിൽ സുൽത്താൻ ബ്രദേഴ്സ്